This is just a quick, like, I mean, it's probably not going to be a quick process, but kind of wanted to document the process. So right here, I want to see if I can 3D print a bunch of pieces on my 3D printer. And I want to see if I can take a bunch of scans and go into SolidWorks and make like a makeshift spoiler, put it together, maybe sand it down, glue it, whatever, and see if I can put something on this edge. So I got both of the pieces printed, but I'm running out of material. So I'm gonna see how far I can get with these prints. Hopefully one of them fully prints. Here's how two of them look. Ran out of filament though.
Yeah, I mean, I guess just find more filament and keep going.
So boom, hypothetically. So right here is the first part. It's a little janky, I'm not gonna lie, because I didn't section the pieces big enough, or small enough actually. So the last piece, I had to like lay flat like this, and then it took up the whole print bed. All right here, so the 4 other pieces are right here. Now I have to go and check and remember what order they are in before I start pulling shit off. But to get the best results, I'm gonna try to reprint it again. It had a slight curve to it, which is fine. That's how the piece is supposed to be made. But on this corner, I don't like that bend right there. This is the new piece. I fucked it up. This is all the pieces put together. It's not sanded down, but let's go put it on the car to see if it fits. Now we got this baboon holding it. I'm just kidding. My very good, amazing best friend sold in my spoiler right there. But yeah, that's how it looks. You know, it fits. It's decently sized, spaced, whatever. That's like the exact height that I wanted it though, cause it looks crazy right now. Okay, so after sanding the shit out of it, I'm gonna spray paint it with this 2-in-1 paint and primer, gloss black. I'll do that, light coats, flip it. Going to spray the backside. I don't really like how the first coat looked because as you can see right here, I'm going to need to fill it again. But maybe more coats of paint will fix it, but so I sanded the cracks back down because they were popping through a lot. And I try to sand this down as much as I can, but now I got this spot putty and I'm gonna apply it like in the low spots right here and right here. Trying to fill these cracks in as best as I can before I do another coat. I don't know. After being in the sun, I was seeing that it was starting to warp, so. I don't know how this is gonna work now, but after spray painting, this is how it turned out. This is like these ripples on the top, they started to form because they started to stretch. And I'm like thinking, if that's bending in the sun while I'm sanding it, what is it gonna do when it's on the car? Since it's warped so much, like that space, that geometry isn't even flush anymore with the trunk.
I'm kind of retarded.
Goodbye, friend. It was fun.